Tired of old reports cluttering your Smartsheet? Delete them permanently in under 2 minutes. First, we'll navigate to the report, then use the File menu to delete it and confirm the action. Start by navigating to the Smartsheet homepage, where all your sheets and reports are listed. Then, open the report you want to delete by clicking on its name from the list. Now, click on File at the top left corner of the screen to open the File menu. From the drop-down, select Delete to begin the deletion process. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Delete again to confirm you want to remove the report. Finally, refresh the page to see that the report is gone from your workspace. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.